Hey everyone, hope everybody is staying safe and sound and doing well. So Street Smart Joker here with another unboxing video. While you could already see that a bunch of comics here are already unboxed, right? Because I didn't want to take too much risk opening them up and getting rid of the outer covers due to the COVID times. But super excited today, very happy because after a long wait, suddenly all three of my deliveries turned up at my doorstep at once today, right? I would call it a very lucky day. One was from Delhivery, which is the one which I am showing here. Another one which I have right in front of me, which I am going to unbox now, is from none other than India Post. And the third one, which I don't have here, it's still down. It will take some time for me to get it up and then open it up. That came from Professional Couriers, right? Although I had to struggle a bit, especially for India Post. This has been shipped for long back, more than a month. Because of some ongoing concern, it took a long time for me to get it. Right, so let's get right to it. This bunch is a bunch of single issues, and that's the reason why I thought at least I'll show you when I unbox it and share my excitement, because I myself has not seen. It's been so long since it's been shipped, so I don't even remember which single issues are coming. Although the only hint I still remember is that these are mostly going to be Batman, which I really wanted. So let's get right to it, right? Interestingly, I actually got rid of the external packet, which was over this, because I didn't want to touch and handle it too much. So this is the internal packet. Even internally, this is sent by one of my favorite friend and collector, and so he's packaged it really well. So this is the outer package, which I kind of like removed because I don't have a stand to keep my mobile for recording the video here, because I shifted the house recently due to the ongoing issues. And so I just cut it open for you guys. So but let's jump right into the comics. What you see here right in front of you are mostly the back covers of the comics here. It's not the front cover, but let me just quickly open it up. There's a very fragile transparent cover which is here, which I am going to remove right in front of you and just pick out the first book. Let's see what we have in store. Okay, awesome. So this is Contagion, Batman Shadow of the Bat. Really awesome cover with Jim Gordon and Batman right in front of it. It's number 49 of the Shadow of the Bat series. It's called The Shadow Falls Upon the Angel of Death. So that's the first comic we have, right? I'm just keeping it here. Let's see what is the next one. Ooh, wow. This is another Contagion issue, number 15 of Azrael. Wow, that's another super nice cover, right? I can see Catwoman and Azrael fighting side by side. It's by O'Neill, Kitson and Pasco, right? It's number 7. Contagion, I haven't read the Contagion series. If any of you guys have, I don't know, I'm just checking if this is the same authors here as well, but no, I think it was an ongoing series, the Contagion. Well, let's see what's next. Okay, again this is another Contagion. The other one was 14, this is number 16, Azrael again, right? And you could see a Robin dead body right there. Wow, again the same team, O'Neill, Kitson and Pasco. We will keep it right here and move to the next one. I can see a Robin number 1. This is a I think, yeah, it's a 1 of 1 of Robin. Really nice cover there. The multiplying villainies of nature do swarm upon him. So this was a separate Robin ongoing series, separate from Batman. Currently we only have a Batman and Robin series which is ongoing. I don't see a separate series ongoing for Robin except for Nightwing, right? We'll move it right there. So we'll move to the next one. It's a bit fragile. I'm sorry, I'm holding the mobile. I hope, yeah. So this is the number 1 of Robin in that series. I wanted the number 1 there. He had a lot of other comics of this series, number 2, number 3, but I just picked up number 1, right? So this again, the interesting part is these are all I think from the, yeah, these are all from Dixon, Charles Dixon and Gravis and Dell. So this will be somewhere in that Nightfall era, which is the most famous of the Dixon and team, what they punched it out during that time, in the early to mid 90s, I believe. Wow, this is an awesome cover, right? This is Shadow of the Bat, the Joker, part 1, the king of comedy. And the good part was that he only had part 1, I had the part 2, or I think he had part 1 but part 2, but it was not in a very good condition. So luckily I have part 2, not here with me right now, but I definitely have it, and I simply adore and love the Joker cover. So this is a very nice one in that way. Batman and Joker in the form of I think sculpts. This is Shadow of the Bat number 37. Oh, I'm really enjoying this now, guys, right? Wow. I'm just sad that it's going to end soon, but some amazing covers that I've already shown to you already. Okay, we move on to Night Quest, The Crusade. This is 503. So one of my big collection aspirations is to get all of the Nightfall series as much as I can. So this extends to beyond Nightfall to Night Quest, Batman and Catwoman, the Catwoman of the old, I guess, right? But brilliant cover there, number 503. I have 500, of course, although I don't have the cover in which Bane breaks the Bat's back. This is a fantastic and one of the most famous Batman covers of all time, although it's not the exact one. This is a print, I think it happened, it's a Singaporean reprint, yeah, you could see that, but I just wanted to have this cover, right? That's it. It's a Todd McFarlane cover, and you could see the McFarlane name written in the bat emblem. But it's one of the most epic covers of Batman of all times. One which he replicated later on Spawn, for those guys who are following Spawn, right? So I just wanted to get it. I did. So thanks for that. I'm so thankful to Speed Post, they didn't miss all of this. And again, number 498, Batman and Catwoman again in this cover. This is part of Nightfall number 15. I think Nightfall ran for 19 issues if I'm not wrong. So now I would have around 6 to 7 covers, right? Just need to be very careful about this ones. These are very old ones and need to be, yeah, again this is from Night's End, Aftermath, Robin. I think Night's End is when Bruce Wayne comes back, if I'm not wrong. So this is from that series. I could be wrong, please do correct me, but another brilliant cover. Oh, I'm just so sad that it's going to end up soon, but we have another Batman, Shadow of the Bat. This time it's Grant Taylor Rubinstein. I really love how the cape is curled up all here when Batman is fighting. Looks like a Darth Vader kind of mask, but anyways, this is number 52 from Batman, Shadow of the Bat. I couldn't resist passing on a Batman cover like this. And now the final one, we had to reach here and we did, is Jurassic Park cover, the Return to Jurassic Park, right? I have one more cover of this, but I'm so thankful to get this one as well, right? Another amazing cover. So a very exciting set of single issue comics that I've got here. I am very excited to jump into this, start reading them as soon as I can, and I do plan to post a follow-up video for this, while I'll read these stories and then I could take turn and go and share my thoughts on each one of them. So if you guys are interested, do definitely go and check that out. So thanks for watching. I hope you really like this unboxing. Many more to follow because I have many more orders on the way. So bye bye.